for Just Nailed It, and we are here today to do us a little fall going towards Thanksgiving, I guess you could say. We're not putting anything Thanksgiving into it. We're just having a sunflower, two leaves, little scarecrow, and we're going to put some bling on this nail. All the other items are going to go on this nail here. The other nails will be bare. Got my stamper from Modern. That's what I'm going to use to apply the decals here. I got these decals in a set. Where did I put them? Here we go. Pretty sure I got these off Amazon, I think. Yeah, made in China. Had to be Amazon, right? AliExpress, right? But there's probably like, I don't know, probably like 10, 15 sheets in there. But we are going to go in with our items. Water decals, dab them off on a lint-free surface. I really don't have one out here. Oh. What is going on with my... What's down here? Does not want to come off the stamper. Sorry about that. Man. Oh my goodness. We are having some boo-boos going on today. Nail polish I got. Let me stop here. Oh, where is it? This is by Nail Reserve. This is a beautiful, beautiful nude. This... Oh, goodness me. No, that's not it. I guess I put it away. This is by Eye Method. Little scarecrow. I don't know what's with these decals. If they're completely dry, they don't want to transfer. There we go, there we go, there we go. I think this is really cute. Really cute. I love sunflowers. Love, love, love them. They're one of my faves. Clean my mess up here. We are going to now apply our bling. This is going to go on the index nail. I'm going to use my Rhinestone Glue by GA and EN off Amazon. In case you need to see it again before I take it away. Came with a set of brushes, which is really cool. Those I'm not going to be using right now, though. I'm going to use my own gel brush. Don't take too much. Just going to apply it all over the nail. I always take way too much. This time not enough. And then I'm going to go with some top coat. I got the oopsies going on or something. Now you don't want your nails swimming in the top coat. You just want a thin layer. And we're going to apply some bling. And in between each bigger stone, I want to put just a little one. Just a little one. Okay. Try to keep them in line, but spaced apart. Whoops, whoops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. What do we think? Besides that, I'm knocking everything over today. What do we think? I'll put this in the lamp. I'm gonna plug the lamp in first. I'm gonna hold my hand in there for like, I don't know, 5 seconds. Just to get it like a flash cure. Then I'm gonna put in there for 60 while I top coat these. My other ones. My others. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, before I get there. Leslie. Hillbilly's Creativity. I think that's her new screen name. She keeps changing it. Hillbilly Nails Creativity, I can't remember what it's called. Hillbilly Creativity, something like that. She is at 972 subscribers. She is almost to her 1,000. So I want everybody to head over there. I'll leave her link in the description box. Head over there, subscribe to her channel. She is in need of watch hours as well. She's like, oh shoot, where's my paper? She's 843 watch hours. So it's time to pull out all the stops. If you've got 8, 10, 12 hours at night, during the day, afternoon, whatever the case may be, that you can take and put her channel on play. She needs it. I would appreciate it altogether. I would. I'll love you forever. I will love you forever. So what do we think? So yeah, head over to Hillbilly's channel, Hillbilly's Creativity. She is looking for subscribers. She is looking for her remainder of 843 watch hours. It's time to go balls to the walls, folks. Pull out all the stops. Go over to her channel. Put her playlist on play. It's like Videos 2022, something like that it's called. Put it on play. If you've got 8, 10, 12 hours, please go do that for her. When it was my turn, when I got monetized, what was it, 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago now? You guys were amazing. Amazing in how quickly I got there when I started my turn. That's what I want for her. I want to get her there. The lamp is almost done. Okay, here we go. Whoops. Whoopsie. I lost a nail. I think I'm going to have to retire this set because this one, the bowl is not there anymore. So here we go with our set. It's just an easy peasy lemon squeezy fall manicure. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell so you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Don't forget, I got a giveaway going on. It's going on until January. I draw on the 1st and the 15th of the month for a set of She Modern's black and white sticky stamping polish. If you don't know what that is, check out my She Modern Saturday videos. You will learn all about it. I'll explain everything to you there. The rules must be 18 years or older. Yeah. There's the rule. One more. You must be subscribed to my channel. I want you to be visible, not just before you win, but after, during the whole shebang. I want you to stay active. I love having my comments. I love interacting with my peeps. So that is it for today. We will see you in a couple days. Have yourself a blessed day and thank you.